are at Lake Louise and it is 7 a.m. which is why the parking lot looks like it does. We'll film again at 10 and see if it's the same.
Like zero wind and zero wave is good.
There isn't anything.
Yeah, there's a little ripple.
Oh, it's so cute.
I'm not in the crowd. So we made a little thingy, our buddy, right there, and it has a great view.
What's those thingy called?
Rock snowmans. Rockmen. They rock!
So we're still on the flat section of Plain of Six Glaciers Trail, and we're getting ice on the ground already. That should be fun. Keep you updated.
be a flushable one if there is. But there might.
So,
Don't eat it.
this is some type of
Why not?
animal track.
Because it's full of dirt. I took the.
Are we about to hit a wall?
Oh, John.
To go see if it's safe to pass. We want to go to the tea house. But we hit this wall. So
Should we follow him or we're just gonna lose him? And we have sticks, we have nothing. We could crawl. Yeah, we can use our front paws, the animals. No, we're waiting to see if it's safe enough. I'm just gonna test it out.
we went all the way around there. Because right about there wasn't very wide and it was very slippery going down.
What do we see behind you?
We see Lake Louise, and right now, I'm sorry if I'm having trouble with my breathing. We're about at 6,500 feet or 1,900 meters.
Which is a lot for us.
But this is what we're getting as a view.
So we're currently doing the tea thing trail, and it is a lot longer than it says it is.
We're probably doing the glacier.
I don't know what we're doing at this point. Say hi.
Hi.
We're at Plain of 6 Glaciers. We did it. We got to the top. It was 7 kilometers from the parking lot to here.
Which parking lot?
The one for RVs, the main one,
Lake
not the
Louise.
overflow one. Yeah,
Lake-
this is the first experience for us. It's really nice. We came all the way up here to drink some tea. Yeah, we're at
this thing.
tea house. A tea house thing.
So let's go to the tea house.
Yes. Yep.
We're at the Plain of 6 Glaciers tea house, and we've stopped for possibly tea and meal.
And it's not only the tea that will be steaming.
Yeah, it's not only the tea that'll be steaming, it'll be... So, it's an awesome place at the end of a hike.
7-kilometer hike.
Wait, the background's nice here. Have you guys decided?
You guys are pretty quiet.
We're hungry.
We're enjoying
I mean,
Chips at a tea house. Surprising, eh?
where?
7 kilometers up a mountain.
It's worth being.
I will remember it forever though.
Goodbye, Plain of 6 Glaciers tea house. It was a great experience. We'll come back if we can.
can jump.
of 6 glaciers, on the return we can take a hike or divert the hike toward Big Beehive. That's what we decided to do, thinking, hey, we're already up most of the altitude, but it's a steady climb from there too. So you'll want to take that into consideration when you make the choice.
Beehive trail right now, and it's getting a little hard after the other trail that we did, and we found this seat out of a tree that has been carved perfectly. I am thankful for the person who did it.
How was that hike, girls?
Beautiful.
Worth it.
It wasn't too hard. It was hard at some points. It was really worth it. It was hard. It was steep, a lot more than we thought, but it's definitely worth it.
Okay, look at me. You prefer your face in this one?
No, I just sat here with my camera.
Actually, take pictures though.
Hey, Bree,
Yes.
how high up are we?
7,000 feet, something, 7,000 something feet up.
Mosquito in your neck?
On me or you? I don't know.
Lake Agnes. Switchbacks to get up here. Today is definitely tea house day. We walked 7 kilometers to get to the first tea house at the Plain of 6 Glaciers, and now we are close to Lake Agnes tea house. We can see it at the end of the lake right here, and the girls will probably convince us to eat there too.
So as you can see, Lake Agnes Tea House was kind of full. So we decided to just sit around the lake and skip the tea house.
Because we already did one.
The lake behind us is called Mirror Lake, and it's on the Lake Agnes Tea House Trail.
And behind us, that's Big Beehive. That's where we were.
The top of that Table Mountain there. You could see Mirror Lake from that viewpoint up there.